How to add email account to Outlook. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to add your email account to Outlook step by step. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Outlook app on your phone. And now here, once you're inside the app, just tap on the profile icon shown in the top left corner of the screen. And now here, once you do that, a pop-up menu will appear. In that menu, just tap on the plus icon just below the G icon. And now here, from the pop-up menu, just tap on the option that says Add an account. And now here, on the next page, simply tap or enter the email that you want to add it in the Outlook. And now here, once you have entered the email, simply sign in with the password. And for Gmail and other providers, you may need to allow Outlook access in a browser pop-up. And here, if your email provider requires IMAP or POP settings, then select Advanced option and then enter incoming servers, outgoing servers, and port number and encryption type. And here, once the Outlook connects, your email, contact, and the calendar will sync automatically. And there, you can also now send and receive emails from this account to Outlook. And that's it. That's how you can add your email account to Outlook. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.